Hello viewers, a very good morning to everybody. My today's topic is figures of speech. Figures of speech is very important not only for the school going students but also for the competitive exam aspirants. Now the meanings of figure of speech. Figure of speech is a phrase or a poetic device. It is generally used by poet and authors to create effect and to make the effective and decorative language. So it is also called an ornament of the language. Now there are many figures of speech, but today I will deal with two main figures of speech. The first is metaphor. This is metaphor. Now, the definition of metaphor. Metaphor is a direct comparison between two different things and objects. What is the definition? A direct comparison between two different things and objects. And we will see the definition and clear the definition, explain the definition with the help of some examples. I have written 7 examples and I shall explain the example one by one with the definition of metaphor. First 4 examples are from William Shakespeare's one of the greatest drama As You Like It, and we are converting them into the examples of metaphor. Let us see the first example. The first example is human life is a drama. Here human life and drama are directly compared with each other. And the second is the whole earth is a stage. Here the earth and the stage are compared with each other directly. So it is also the example of metaphor. And the third one, look the third one. Men and women are actors and actresses. Here men are compared with actors and women are compared with actresses. Means actually men and women, actors and actresses are different from each other, but they are directly compared. Then fourth one is the God is a director. Actually God and director are different to each other, but they are compared directly. Now fifth is camel is the sheep of desert. Camel is an animal and sheep is a thing. Both are compared with each other directly. So it is also the example of metaphor. Now the sixth is he was the lion in the war. Here the lion, an animal, and he, the human being, are compared directly. So it is also the example of metaphor. I think the last example might be your favorite example. Let us see the last example. Lata Mangeshkar is a singing cuckoo of India. Here the human being Lata Mangeshkar is compared directly with cuckoo. It is said to be a singing cuckoo of India. So it is also the example of metaphor. Now we are going towards simile. Let us see simile. First, the definition of simile. Simile is contrast, means opposite to metaphor. In metaphor, a direct comparison is made between two different objects or things. In simile, an indirect comparison is made between two different things or objects, but the indirect comparison is introduced by the word as or like. We will try to convert all the metaphors from all the examples from metaphor to the simile. Now again look the first example. Human life is a drama. it is an example of metaphor. When we add like, look, after adding like, human life is like a drama. After adding like, it becomes the indirect comparison. So it is the example of simile. Now let us go on second one. The whole world is like a stage. The whole world is like a stage. Here, whole world and stage are compared with each other. Actually, they are dissimilar, and this indirect comparison is introduced by like. Then let us turn towards third example. Men and women are actors and actresses in metaphor. When we add like, it becomes simile. Means men and women are human beings. Actors and actresses are also human beings, but they are different and they are compared with each other. Then, fourth one, the God is a director. When we add like, God is like a director. God and director are compared with each other, and this is introduced by the word like. So it is again simile. Then the fifth one, he was a lion in the war. If we read only he was a lion in the war, it is the example of metaphor. Again, when we add like, he was like a lion in the war, it is now the example of simile. Means he, human being, is indirectly compared with lion. Then last sentence again, Lata Mangeshkar is a singing cuckoo of India. When we add like in this sentence, it becomes indirect comparison. Here, Lata Mangeshkar and cuckoo, the bird, are compared, and the indirect comparison is introduced by like. So it is the example of simile. Okay, thank you. Upcoming video will be on the another figures of speech. Those are antithesis and personification. So my humble request to everybody to watch my video and subscribe it and share it.